Hey guys, welcome back to another chill-bit video. I want to be doing 3 more unboxings. I want to do unboxing of each one of these. This is the Monster Box. This is Volume 1. Restored, remastered, reprinted. 25 blood-curdling vintage 8mm movie box covers. These are limited edition, which I had no idea how many were made, because they're not numbered. These are 8mm that you see in Famous Monsters when they were selling them. Open it up. If I can open them up. Okay. That's what inside the box looks like. Pulp novelties. Now I'm going to take these out of the box and I'll show you what they look like. There's 25 per box. We start off with the Deadly Mantis. Of course, the Castle Films. Then we have the Bride of Frankenstein. We have the Wolfman, Tale of the Werewolf. We have Tarantula. The Incredible Shrinking Man. We have Psycho. We have the Mummy's Tomb. And we have Boris Karloff in The Mummy. And we have the Son of Frankenstein. Various monsters of all time comes to life again. The original Frankenstein. Man-created monster with Boris Karloff and Colin Clive. Frankenstein meets the Wolfman. Dracula. With Bela Lugosi. The Horror of Dracula. They really sported some great covers. I tell you, they really are great. Here's The Curse of Frankenstein. Here's The Screaming Skull. Here's The Raven. Quote the Raven, nevermore. Night of the Blood Beast. Dr. Satan, which I never seen. The Revenge of Frankenstein. Screen Greatest Screen Fest. The Spider, It Must Eat You to Live. "30 Tons of Creeping Black Horror." Straight Jacket. Telltale Heart. The Undead. War of the Colossal Beast. The Towering Terror from Hell. And finally, for box 1 of volume 1 is Curse of the Demon. That's it, folks, for my unboxing of box 1 of volume 1 of the Monster Box 8mm box covers. Let me know what you think of volume 1. Leave your comments below. Please let me know. As always, I thank you much for watching, and please subscribe.